Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to learn about this picture icon from your Windows 11 desktop. As you can see guys in my screen. So when you are updating your Windows 11 to newer version 24H2, so at that time guys, the icon was added by default automatically. So this is the new AI feature. Okay, so if you don't want to see this, so you can try this easy and simple method. Hold Windows key button and then press R from your keyboard, and then here you need to type Regedit and then click on OK. So it will open registry edit on your PC, and then here you need to extend H key current user, and then you need to extend user. In the user you need to extend Microsoft. In the Microsoft, scroll down and find out Windows, and in the Windows you need to extend current version. So once again you need to extend it, and here you need to find out Explorer folder, extend it. Okay, and in the Explorer folder you need to extend hide desktop icons, and then here you can get the one folder new start panel. So just select this folder, and then in the right panel here you can get one value like to see like this. So just you need to double click and open it, and then here you need to enter 0 and then click on OK. Afterwards, now you can close the registry edit like this. Now restart your PC one time, and then there is no picture icon on your desktop. Okay, so this is the way to remove it. So that's all today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.